Good morning. Well, I think it's worth a short video. I'm currently up in the cherry picker, capping off my chimney. This is phase one of our front room renovation because we're going to have electric fire, so we're just going to cap the chimney off. So I'll show you what I've done. I've bought a cap from Atkinson's. So I put some CT1 around the top of the pot, put the tin cap on, just put the Jubilee clip on, nice and solid, so that gets that capped off. The one at the back of the house is capped off with concrete, which is good. So I'll just have a little pan round. That's the view of my roof with the new ridgeless tile system. There's the truck and trailer. So a little scan round our little cul-de-sac. Good job done. So that's this morning's work finished. Come off the inside and then I'll get that fireplace sorted out. So that's it for now. Next job, put the Christmas tree up. So this is George signing out. See you later. Yes, I've got the full harness. I'm clipped on everything. I'm in the HR12, which is a 12-meter self-propel boom, which is really good. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.